Hello everyone. In this video, we'll guide you on how to post on the NextDoor app and connect with your neighborhood. So let's get started. To post on the NextDoor app, start by opening the app and logging into your account. In the NextDoor app, tap the plus button at the bottom of the screen. And then choose the type of post you want to create, whether it's a message, a poll, or a classified. Write your post, add photos if needed, and select your audience. Your neighborhood, nearby neighborhoods, or just your own. Once you're ready, hit post and your message will be shared with your community. It's that simple. For desktop, go to nextdoor.com and log into your account, and here you will find the post button here. Click on the button and follow the steps to post. Note that if your account is not verified, you cannot post your content on Nextdoor, so verify your account to be able to post content. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.